So to start with 2D design, what I will do is I will first start with a square. Let's build a square. As we already know that we have this repeat function here. To use this repeat function to build a square, we will write 4, because whatever statement we write, we have to repeat it 4 times. And then we will move the beetle by 1. Instead of 1, we can keep it 3 also. So a 3 unit square we will make, and then we need to rotate it 4 times. So here we will go and let's see where is rotate. Rotate 4 times by 90 degrees. If we run it, see, it was very fast. It was very fast. So what we can do is we can put a wait statement in between. Let's wait for 1 second. Okay, now if you have noticed one thing, that I have mentioned rotate Z by 90 degree. Now here we have 3 axes, X, Y and Z. Now if we rotate the beetle by 90 degrees so that it makes a square on X and Y plane, and if I remove grid, you can see it's an X and Y plane. So on X and Y plane, if it has to make a square, then it has to rotate along Z axis. So this concept should be very clear, that whenever it is making a square, it is rotating along a Z axis, which is perpendicular to the plane on which it is making the square. All the activities we'll be doing will be rotating the beetle along Z axis. So for the time being, let's not get into the depth of this rotation, and let's understand this is the rotation we'll be using. Now we have drawn this. Let's put another weight after rotation so that we can see even the beetle rotating. And let's make it a bit large and run it. So you saw the beetle was rotating and moving, but we were not able to draw anything. So for drawing something, we need to start drawing. So if we start drawing the lines, and then if we stop drawing the lines after 4 rotations. Now let's run it again. So it has made a square, you can see, but the problem is because we are looking at this square at an angle, that's why it is not looking like a square, perfect square. So if we go to 2D mode, you'll be able to see a perfect square. So on the XY plane, it has made a perfect square. For making a hexagon, we need to repeat the whole loop 6 times, and we have to make it 60 degrees because we total need 360 degrees. So 6 into 60 is 360. And if we run it, so it's a hexagon. It has made a hexagon. Now if we go to the 2D mode, we will be able to see a very nice hexagon. Now for the some time, let's keep this program aside and let's build some 3D objects. Let's reset it and build a very simple 3D object, that is a cube. It has all the equal edges. So here we have made a cube of 1 dimension. So let's build this cube. We have to just click on the green flag and you see a cube is built. So it's very simple to use. Okay, let's first put on the grid. Okay, now if we put on the grid, you will see that this cube is a 3-dimensional object. By 3-dimensional, we mean it has x-axis, it has y-axis, and it has z-axis. It has dimensions in all the 3 axes. So similarly, you can build a cuboid. See, we have built a cuboid. and any box is a cuboid. Whatever box you are having at home, usually they are cuboid. Then we can build a simple sphere. If we make it say 1, this radius, and if we run it, so we will have a sphere. So these are all the 3D objects you can build. This is a tube, you can build a tube also. So everything is there ready made. You will see, it's so amazing. It's so amazing. With a very simple programming, you can build anything you like. We will just reset the camera and we'll reset the whole picture. Now, these are the few things which are already available. You can build by just dragging the instructions. So see you in the next lecture. Thank you.